everybody, Jamika here. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your desktop wallpaper and folder icons on a Windows computer. Now I have another video out and it's for Mac users, and if you want to check that one out, feel free. It's on my YouTube channel. But this video is going to be for the Windows platform, so let's get started. For this tutorial, I had to crop my Windows desktop screen for privacy reasons, and we will go ahead and get started. First, we're going to change our desktop wallpaper. To do this, you would right-click, scroll to Personalize. A window will pop up and you will see where it says background. Click on that, and then next you can either find your image from recent images or browse photos. Click that option below, but where it says browse photos, and search for your image there. You'll also have the option to change the fit of your image on your desktop screen. As you can see here, I'm trying out the different fits, but I tend to find that center pretty much does the trick most of the time. So once you've figured all of that out, how you want it to look, you would exit out of that. And the next thing that we're going to go to is changing the look of a folder icon. First, you would go to an existing folder, and I want my yellow default folder. By default, it's yellow. I want to change that to this one, this nice green or sage color folder. So you would right click on the existing folder, scroll down to properties, then you're going to click customize. Then scroll down and click change icon. Next, go to browse, and once you click browse, find the image that you want to use. Make sure it's a .ico. It's meant for icons, and it will change the look of your existing folder. As you can see, it's showing that it changed it to the sage color. Click apply, then click OK, and voila, there is your folder. So you would just repeat this process for all of your existing folders, and it's the same concept. If you create a new folder, it's going to start off as the default yellow folder, so you would just do the same thing. You would right click and click properties and go through that same process if it's a new folder. But yep, that's pretty much how you change your folder icons on a Windows computer, and also how to change your wallpaper on a Windows computer. Before I end this tutorial, I want to mention that in order to change the folder icon image, you have to use a icon file format. Typically, it ends in a .ico in the file name. It will not work if it's a PNG or a JPEG. It must be an icon file. That's the only way that you can get your folder icons to be changed into a different look if you're using a Windows computer. Now, if you do have JPEG or PNG images that you want your folders to look like, then you would have to convert it to a .ico file for it to work. And there you have it, a customized desktop wallpaper and folder icons for your Windows computer. I hope that this inspired you to get out there and change up some things on your computer. And if you liked the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, because I've got some more tutorials similar to this coming along the way, especially in 2024. And hope you have a great day and keep on learning. Bye.